Ever feel like you're screaming into the void? You post, you scroll, you connect with hundreds of people online, but at the end of the day you still feel empty. That constant buzz of notifications does nothing to quiet the anxiety. The pressure, the feeling that you're just not measuring up? It's a deep, painful disconnect, right? What if I told you the most powerful connection you could ever make doesn't need Wi-Fi? What if the solution to that inner chaos isn't a new app, but ancient practice? Stick with me because we're about to unlock it. So let's talk about prayer. And no, I don't mean the dusty, formal, repeat after me stuff you might be thinking of. I'm talking about a real, raw, daily conversation. For many of us, the idea of daily prayer feels like another chore on an already overflowing to-do list. We think, I don't have time, or I don't even know what to say, or the big one, does God even hear me? This is where the pain really hits. We carry the weight of our worries, our insecurities, our future plans all by ourselves. We feel isolated, trying to navigate a world that's loud and demanding, and our own inner voice of doubt is often the loudest. We're told to trust the process, but the process feels overwhelming and lonely. That feeling of being spiritually dehydrated, of knowing there's something more but not knowing how to reach it, is exhausting. It leaves you feeling spiritually stuck, maybe even a little bit like a fraud. You go to church, you believe in God, but that day-to-day relationship, it feels distant, like a long-distance call with bad reception. But here's the promise. Daily prayer is the direct line. It's your personal, unfiltered, 24/7 access to the God of the universe. It's not about finding the perfect words. It's about showing up with your real, messy self. Imagine starting your day not by grabbing your phone and letting the world's anxiety rush in, but by taking just 5 minutes to say, "Good morning, God. Here's what's on my mind. I need your help today." Imagine ending your day not by doom scrolling, but by handing over your worries and saying, "God, take this. I can't carry it anymore." This practice transforms prayer from a religious duty into a relational reality. It's the difference between knowing about someone and actually knowing them. When you talk to God daily, you start to recognize His voice. You begin to see His hand in the small details of your life, that anxiety that felt like a mountain. It starts to shrink because you know you're not climbing it alone. That confusion about your future, it gets clearer because you're asking the Creator of your future for directions. So how do we actually do this? Forget the pressure to be perfect. Let's make it simple. Try the ACTS model. It's easy to remember. A is for adoration. Start by just telling God how awesome He is. Look at a sunrise and say, "Wow, God, you did that." It's about shifting your focus from your problems to His power. C is for confession. This isn't about shame. It's about freedom. Be honest. God, I messed up today. I was impatient. I was selfish. It's like cleaning a wound so it can actually heal. It clears the static from the line between you and Him. T is for thanksgiving. Gratitude is a superpower. What are you thankful for? Your coffee? The fact that you woke up? A friend who texted you? Naming your blessings, no matter how small, rewires your brain for joy and reminds you that God is providing even when it doesn't feel like it. And S is for supplication. This is where you ask for stuff, and don't hold back. Pray for your friends, your family, that big exam, your mental health. Be specific. God wants to hear the details of your heart. He's not a distant king. He's an invested father. Starting this habit might feel awkward at first, like any new relationship. But I promise you, the ROI is eternal. That emptiness you feel, it gets filled. That anxiety, it's replaced with peace. That feeling of being alone, it's replaced by the constant, comforting presence of a God who is crazy about you. You don't have to have it all together to come to God. You just have to come. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, just try it. Set a reminder on your phone. Find a quiet corner. And just talk to Him. You might be surprised who talks back. If this video resonated with you, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I post new content every week to help you navigate your faith in this crazy world. And drop a comment below. What's one thing you're going to thank God for today? Let's fill the comments with gratitude. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.